Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to stabilize our shaky video footage. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already added a sample shaky video footage in timeline. Let's play this clip a little bit. This video is very shaky. I just captured this few weeks ago. But good news is you can easily fix this shaky video footage and make it more stabilized just in a click using built-in stabilize plugin in Vegas Pro. To do this, at first select your video track and go to Tools, Video and select Media FX. Now select Vegas. Select this Vegas Stabilize plugin and hit on Add and click on OK. Now I choose the default setting of this Vegas Stabilizer plugin. To apply this in our video, simply hit on Apply. So once it is complete, simply close this one. Hopefully our video is now more stabilized. Let's play this clip. Awesome, right? In this way, you can easily stabilize your shaky video footage just in a click. Thank you so much for watching.